Spraying some D2 on the headstones.
It's going to get it done.
That's Priscilla's headstone.
You can see here where a lawnmower at some point just smashed the heck out of it. Now we'll take care of the children. This is Lewis. This is Irma. Adkins, of course. Come Labor Day, I expect these to be glowing. You'll be able to read it very easily. I am going to scrub just a little bit. As soon as you spray it on, you can kind of see the brown funk coming out. I don't know why I said kind of, you can see.
Oh, that's going to clean up real nice.
Yeah, it is. And you can just tell. You can tell.
Mm-hmm.
These probably haven't been cleaned. Well, one's been here. They've both been here over 100 years.
Ida's born and died in 1908, and Lewis born and died in 1923. I said Ida. It's Irma.
Yeah, it is Irma.
I said it wrong.
Yeah, these are going to be remarkably different looking.
Yeah, they will. Kind of go up and down on the letters. There, it gets in that groove. Oh, it has words at the bottom.
This one does?
Yeah, I didn't even see that. His does too.
Maybe the next time we come out, Around Labor Day, we'll be able to read it.
Do his letters up and down too. And see, he's got writing at the bottom also.
With that sun setting back there,
It's hard to see.
probably I can't make it out. All right.
Very cool. Spray it again and let it sit.
Well, right out here. It'll be all right.
Oh,
That's,
okay.
That stuff's in there.
Great.
So, we'll be back Labor Day weekend.
Well, I'm too close. I can see your body, but not your head.
So,
Oh well.
we'll catch you next time.